Maratha Empire was a great power that took over the large portion of Indian subcontinent in the 18th century. Irshalgarh is situated between Matheran and Panvel in Maharashtra, India. It is 64 kilometers away from Mumbai and 57 kilometers away from Navi Mumbai. Naniwali village, which is the starting point of the trek, is a comfortable walk from Chowk railway station. From the village of Naniwali, you follow a well-defined route to the village of Irshalwadi. This Irshalwadi village is located on the Irshalgarh plateau. While the initial phase of trekking, the path is steep ridge, after which the direct route goes to the Irshalwadi village, located between the trek on the mountains. Basically, Irshalgarh is really an apex, a pinnacle, and not a fortress. It might have utilized as a watchtower for security purpose to watch over the zone among the Manikgarh and Prabhargarh. It is also known as sister fort of Prabhargarh. In 17th century, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj won and captured the region of Kalyan and Bhiwandi up to Rairi. After this victory, Irshalgarh went under Maratha rule. The main tourist attraction of this fort is Nedhe, which is a stone cavity shape due to the wind erosion. The elevation of the journey is 518 meters till the stone cut called Nedhe. The beautiful view of Morbe Dam can be seen from the top. There are small water tanks present on the peak of the Irshalgarh, formed by cutting from rocks. This water is safe for drinking. This water tank and the cave are next to this Nedhe. To reach the peak of the Irshalgarh Nedhe, it is basic to have artificial stone climbing equipment to climb the apex. Numerous lives have been lost while attempting to climb this apex. The apex climb requires 100 feet of rope and it is amazingly hard for beginners. From the top, we can see the post of Prabhargarh, Matheran, Chanderi, Malanggarh, Karnaa and Manikgarh.